Hi guys, how are you? It's Foxy. Welcome back to my channel. And today I'm gonna show you how I do this Leo makeup, Leo Zodiac makeup. I was scrolling through the TikTok and found this trend where you have to do your makeup like your zodiac sign, and I am Leo, so I'm Leo/tiger. Anyway, I'm a cat. So this is how I imagine Leo makeup, and if you're interested in how I did it, let's get started. So today we're going to start with the eyes again. I'm really sorry if you hear any noise on the background because this is my husband and he's taking the shower right now. First of all, I want to add some liner on my waterline. I'm going to be using Essence Inner Eye Brightening Pen. I'm applying it to my bottom waterline. Now I'm going to be using Wonder Skin, if you know, you know, eyeshadow stick in shade Ash. I am going to add it to my upper waterline and on my lash line on the top lid. I'm adding the cream eyeshadow to the outer corner, like so. And I blend it with concealer brush. It's really the easiest way to blend the cream blush. Now I'm going in with P. Louise Pro palette. This is a custom palette. I'm going to use this shade with a fluffy brush. I don't want to make everything super orange today, so I'm going to be using this like pale orange color, and then I'm going to blend it all with warm brown eyeshadows. Now I'm gonna take this shade. I think every single shade in this palette is super pigmented except white. If somebody here knows a good white matte eyeshadow that's really super pigmented, please let me know in the comments, because I'm struggling to find one. I want to add pale beige color and I'm applying it with a fluffy brush. Now I am going in with warm brown eyeshadow again. I want to add some eyeliner. I'm going to be using P. Louise Fall in Line eyeliner. This is a dual side eyeliner, and here's the brown sugar side and cinnamon stick side. I'm going to be using cinnamon stick side. Now let's add a little bit of a liner to the inner corner. Now I want to add the eyeshadow stick to the outer corner of my waterline. I am going to add some sparkles. I'm going to be using Kaime Cosmetics Loose Glitter Pigment in shade Glamour. This is a beautiful golden sparkle. Adding it to the center. Now I'm adding a little bit more of brown eyeshadow. So let's remove the patches. Now I'm gonna add brown eyeshadow to the bottom lid. I'm applying it with the same brush I applied glitter with, because I want the bottom lid to be a little bit sparkly too. So there was a bit of a glitter left on the brush and it shows on the bottom lid. Now I want to add some false lash. I'm going to use these kind of strip lashes. I'm going to cut them in half. I'm using the Duo Lash Glue and I'm letting the glue to sit for a bit because I want it to get a little bit tacky. So the eyelashes are here. And now we need to wait a little bit for them to stick with my natural lashes. And while we're waiting, I want to start with my face already. I'm gonna be using Hollywood Flawless Filter from Charlotte Tilbury. This is a shade 1 Fair. I want this makeup to be a bit more natural on the skin because I have freckles. They are not so visible, but I still have them, and I have a lot of them. They're just pretty light. I want them to still be visible. So I will not use any foundation today. I only will use this primer. It's like a primer slash foundation, so some people use it as a foundation if you want pretty light coverage. So this is what I'm gonna do today. I really do use it sometimes instead of a foundation, like in the summertime when I want this glow, but I don't want a lot of coverage. Now I'm gonna be using Rare Beauty Under Eye Brightener. It's lightweight too. I'm gonna blend it with my finger. I'm blending the bottom lid a little bit more. I'm gonna be using Made by Mitchell liquid blusher in the shade Melon Sorbet. And as a bronzer, I'm gonna be using Focalure Star Crush Stretchy Highlighter in the shade Launch Adrift BR02. As a liquid highlighter, I'm gonna be using Revolution highlighter. This one is pretty much pigmented. Now I'm gonna set everything with Dewy Set from Anastasia Beverly Hills. Now I'm going in with Easy Bake and Snatch from Huda Beauty, this one in the shade Cupcake. I want to be a little bit more bronzed, so I'm gonna be adding Honey Bear highlighter from I Heart Revolution. Now I'm going in with Mega Highlighter So Lit from Revolution. This one is a collaboration with Love Island. This is a super golden pigmented highlighter. I also added to the inner corner. Now let's add some color to my eyebrows. I'm gonna be using MAC Eyebrow Styler in Strut. Not gonna do a lot. Now I'm going to add Essence Call Me Queen mascara. I'm gonna start with the bottom lashes. And I'm blending my eyelashes with false lashes. If you have black eyelashes, it's not always needed, but I would anyway suggest you to do so. But for me, it's crucial because my eyelashes are almost transparent. They're so light and you cannot even see them without mascara, but it's super visible when my lashes and false lashes start. I just removed the lip balm and let's move to the lips. Today I'm going to be using this Prettier lip. It's called Lip Contour 2.0 and I have it in a shade 08. These liners are super creamy. On top of this liner, I'm going to be using Cholestar Lip Balm. This is a Duo Straordinario lip balm in shade 1. And yeah, basically this is it. This is how this makeup looks like. And let's unwrap my hair. I'm gonna do sides first. And now the most interesting part, the curtain bangs. So yeah. So basically this is it. Thank you guys for watching and you as always have a wonderful one and take care of yourself. See you later with love, your Foxy.